So here guys, we are going for the fourth problem here. Log base 10 1 minus 2x whole cube into 8x plus 1 power 5. Now the problem is that we are having the formula for y is equal to log ax plus b, whatever you are studying, that is for base e, not for base 10. We have to convert the problem of base 10 to base e. How to convert that? Very simple concept. We have to understand here that log base 10 any function that can be written as log base e, that particular function, whole divided by log base e into 10, log 10 base e. This is what we are going to do. That means here in this particular problem, what will happen? So observe carefully what is there. This x is nothing but this thing. This 10 is sitting here, this log is sitting here. This particular thing we are converting into what? Base e, right? Base e. How to convert? Log e base log x base e divided by log 10 base e. So here what will happen? Y is equal to log x base e, right? X is nothing but this part, function. Okay, so it will be 1 minus 2x power 3 into 8x plus 1 power 5 divided by log 10 base c. This is what we are writing. I hope you understood. Again, I'll explain this part. So what is happening here, you have to understand carefully that we don't have the formula. See, by the property, whatever you have studied, that is for base e, but they have given base 10. That base 10 has to be converted into base e. For that purpose, what we are doing, we are applying this formula. Log x base 10 is equal to log x base c divided by log 10 base c. So log 10 base c is denominator. Numerator, what is that? Log x base. See, don't get confused. X is nothing but the function given in the question. Function. See, inside the bracket, after log, whatever is there, that is nothing but the function. So that function I am writing here. That's it. Okay. So what is happening here? Log m into n is how much? Log m plus log n. Correct? That particular formula we are going to apply here. So what will happen? Y is equal to, this is denominator, you keep it outside itself. So I can write this as 1 by log 10 base e. Now inside the bracket what will happen? Log 1 minus 2x power 3 base e plus log 8x plus 1 power 5 base e. Done. What we have done? This is multiplication. We have converted into what? Addition form, summation form, sum form we have converted. Okay. Product to sum. Now after this, why we are converting? Because we are trying to bring it in ax plus b form. Always remember, whenever you are doing log for functions in nth derivative, we have to convert into log ax plus b because we are having only that formula. So y is equal to 1 divided by log 10 base c. Now this can be converted. One more formula we'll learn, which is nothing but log x power n is how much? N log x. So whatever is the power, that will come front, right? So this formula we'll apply here. 3 is sitting, 3 will come front. So 3 log 1 minus 2x base c. Then here 5 is sitting, 5 will come front. 5 log 8x plus 1 base c. We have got the function in log ax plus b form. Now we'll apply the formula. Now we have to understand the formula. What is that formula? Y power n, y is equal to, if it is log ax plus b, then the nth derivative is given by minus 1 power n minus 1 into n minus 1 factorial into a power n whole divided by ax plus b power n. This formula we are going to apply here. So in two parts we have to apply, right? So that we'll be doing. So yn, write carefully, yn is equal to 1 by log base 10, log 10 base c into 3 is there sitting outside. Now log 1 minus 2x. carefully you have to understand here is that when you compare it with ax plus b, coefficient of x has to be taken as a, right? So here it is minus 2. Be careful with that. So minus 1 power n minus 1 into n minus 1 factorial into a power n you are writing means minus 2 power n you have to write, whole divided by 1 minus 2x power n, correct, plus 5 into, again the same thing here. What is a value? A value will be 8, right? X coefficient which is 8, so this I'll write below. So it will be minus 1 power n minus 1 into n minus 1 factorial into a power n which is 8 power n divided by 8x plus 1 power n. Done. Now what all things are common here? Anything is common? Yes, minus this part, this part is common. So yn, nth derivative is equal to, so what I'll be doing, I'll be taking minus 1 power n minus 1 outside and n minus 1 outside I'll take. So what is inside then? Divided by log 10 base e. What's inside then? 3 into minus 2 power n divided by 1 minus 2x power n plus 5 into 8 power n whole divided by 8x plus 1 power n, right? Now till here you can stop, but the thing is that if you want you can do one more step. Take what 2 power n common, that is also fine. If you want you can stop it here, okay? So minus 1 power n minus 1 into n minus 1 factorial, sorry factorial is there, into 2 power n I'll take common. So inside the bracket, oh, this is divided by log 10 base e. Now 3 is outside. Now you have taken 2 power n common, but minus sign is remaining. It will be not minus 1, it will be minus 1 power n. Very important concept, okay? So whenever you are taking 2 power n outside, minus 1 is not remaining, it is minus 1 power n remaining. That's why I said you can stop it here itself, previous step, plus 5 into 8 power n is gone outside. So what will be inside then? It will be 4 power n, not 4. It is 4 power n because we don't know the value of n, divided by 1 minus 2x power n, and here also 8x plus 1 power n. So this you can write it as simplified version. If you want you can stop it here, otherwise you can take 2 power n common.